Welcome to our Materials Library video. I'm Charlie Becker and I'm a Business Development Representative here at Brighton Science. In this video, we'll be discussing how atmospheric plasma cleans and activates an aluminum surface prior to bonding and how BConnect and BCMobile help you visualize that change. We'll start with baseline measurements on this piece of untreated aluminum. You'll notice that in BConnect, our surface measurements average around 76 degrees, which tells us the surface hasn't been activated yet. Next, we'll apply our atmospheric plasma. This step activates the surface, making it ready for bonding. Now, we're seeing a contact angle of about 54 degrees, showing the surface has been activated. That's about a 29% reduction, and you can see that change immediately in BConnect. This tells us the plasma treatment is working and gives us clear feedback on whether the process needs adjustment. With BConnect and BCMobile, teams can quickly confirm when an aluminum surface is activated and ready for bonding.